After being back in the UK for a few weeks, I decided to head down to the Brecon Beacons in Wales on my new fat bike. I'd missed being on the bike, so I felt that being in nature would be my only fix. Good morning. I'm back on the bike. Yeah! My voice has gone a little bit. That's, I don't know, just under the weather a little bit. Feels really good to be back on the bike. I've got myself a new bike. It's an absolute beast of a fat bike, which is pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to getting back on the bike. It was so nice to sleep in my tent again last night. I've been home for about a month. I missed my tent, so yeah, back on it. Oh, I just feel a bit battered today. A lot of pushing my bike up hills. It's physically probably the most demanding day I've had on a bike. It's been worth it though. It's also been one of the funnest days. I've flown down some mountains. Right, tomorrow, another day in Wales. Let's do it. So that is all the footage that I got from my time in Wales. I really wanted to share that with you, even though it's not really a full story. Just to show how hard it can be. Like for me, still, after 18 months of cycling, I've created 81 episodes from my travels around the world. I go to Wales for a few days and I struggled. And there's a few reasons why I struggled, and I want to talk you through them reasons. I struggled because I wasn't mentally there. I really wanted to go and do the bike trip in Wales. I really enjoyed it. I really liked being in my tent again, pushing my bike, this big fat bike that I've got up the mountains, but I wasn't enjoying the filming as much. I could have happily put the camera away and not filmed, which is what I did. I filmed for the first day and then that was me done. I didn't want to film anymore, and I'm okay with that. I think living our life to please others on social media and people you don't really know is not really worth it. You should never do that. And I've been always very keen to make sure whatever I do because I want to do it. So I didn't particularly want to film after the first day. So I didn't. That's one day of footage there. And it could have been a really good video. And it's left me a lot to really want to go back to Wales and explore, having seen it. Go back to the Brecon Beacons and go to Snowdonia and go to these wild places in the UK. But sometimes I'm not going to film everything. But when I do film it, I want it to be really good. And I think having this bit of time now to be back in the UK to rebalance my life has given me this new perspective that, yes, creating is important, but it's not the most important thing. The most important thing is me and the people I care about. And right now, I'm getting into a good place. I've got a new job. I go to Kenya next week with work, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm going to be making some videos, hopefully in Kenya, in my time around work when I'm not actually working. And then after that, I'm going to Australia, which is crazy. I'm only going for 2 weeks. And I don't think I'll make too many videos there, but I will film something. So it'll be good in itself, it'll be different. So I'm not taking the bike, and I don't plan to go hiking specifically there. So yeah, there's going to be more content like this, more me in my bedroom. I'm going to do, in the future, a few gear reviews. I'm going to talk through the gear I took on my journeys and really just now reflect back on what has been 18 months of a nomadic life. I'll document my change, my adapting to this new life and any new adventures I go on. The next one will be me in Scotland. I've already filmed it. I went to Ben Nevis and I really enjoyed filming that. So that's going to be my next episode. So if you'd like to watch that, subscribe to the channel and you'll get to see it then. And if you like this, it's a bit different, this content, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one. But until then, get outside and do something cool. Alright, Till then, farewell.